How to replace the power cable on your Dyson DC14. It goes without saying, but please make sure your old cable is removed from the mains before you start. Firstly, we need to remove the bin, so that's out of the way. Take off the handle, and then behind there you will see two silver screws. To undo these, you'll need a T15 Torx screwdriver. These are available along with the cable on the links in the description. Once you've undone the two screws, inside here there's two tabs at the top. You push each of them outwards, like so. And then, round the other side, you can then pull off the cover along with the red cover that comes off altogether. And this is what the layout looks like inside. You've got your grommet and then the wire coming in. The brown goes to the switch and then the blue connects to the other blue wire inside this black box. Firstly, slide out the switch and then you can wiggle off the brown connector. Now we're just going to put the switch to one side and we're going to pull out the cable like so. Now undo this black box. There's two little plastic tabs on there. You'll see what I mean, and then that just opens up, and again this connection can just be wiggled apart. Now we just need to take the grommet off your old cable. We're going to reuse this part. Rather than battling with it, we're just going to cut it off like so. You can use scissors for this if you haven't got pliers or wire cutters, and then slide off the grommet. Now get your new cable with the connectors already on for the DC14, and then you slide it up through the grommet, and then it's good to be reused. Now we're going to fit the new cable in reverse order, putting the blue onto the blue, and then getting the black plastic box, putting that around the cable and clicking it down into position. It's just going to sit there on your vacuum cleaner. Now we need to get the insulation so it goes around this curve. This stops it being pulled out. So make sure your grey insulation starts at the bottom and then it will work its way around in a minute. First of all, we need to get this grommet in. Now this little ridge here on your grommet slides onto this little bit here. So you just put that on and then just push it back so it slides into position. We can then push all this insulation into this round curved part. So it will look something like this when you're done. Now we need to slide the switch into position and then connect the brown wire to the spade on the switch. That just pushes on like so. Now before we put the switch cover back on, I just want to show you another issue. On this part, this spring should fit onto this clip here. So we need to make sure that's on before we put the switch cover on. Just presses on like so, just in case yours has come off like mine had. Now put the cover on bottom first, then higher it up and the top clips in. Then just spin it round and we're going to replace the two screws that we took out first. Your repair is now complete and should look like this with no gaps. The last steps are just to replace the hose and the handle and then put your bin back on. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Dyson help videos.